Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 7. Let's see what the question states. The logical statement P parenthesis P equivalent Q parenthesis closed and Q equivalent negation of P within parenthesis is equivalent to. We have been given four options. We are going to solve this. So we are going to make the truth table. So for P it is going to be true, true, false, false. For column Q, it is going to be true, false, true, false. And for P equivalent to Q, it is going to be true, false, true, true. And for negation of P, it is going to be the inverse of P. So it would be filled by false, false, true, true. Then Q is equivalent to negation of P. That means it is filled by false, true, 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 and at last it's our condition, which comes out to be false, false, true, true. That means if you look closely, this column is equal to negation of P. So our answer is going to be A part.